It's coming. Oh my god, my whole... I don't think he can speak normally. Guys, by the base, send us some chilies that they have grown themselves. So today I'll be doing a Why So Spicy challenge! Okay, animate the fire like some anime, okay? Like.
No.
Okay, let's move on. We have 5 different chilies of increasing spiciness. I am challenged to dish out 1 chili fact while eating each of these chilies. Let's do it! Ah! Ah! This is the yellow bell pepper. Oh, so you must be wondering, right? This is the bell pepper, why is it called chili? But no, it's actually part of the chili family. In fact, all of them, they are a species of chili known as Capsicum annuum. Yeah, so just like the broccoli, they're just different cultivars of the same plant. So means, you know, the farmers like found this special property and they just cultivate it to produce these different varieties of chili. And a special type of chili that actually has 0 heat. So that's why when you eat it, you don't really feel very like, you don't feel spicy at all.
Stop eating it, I know it tastes good.
Now I'm burning, so it's gonna be hot. Next up, we have the green chili that we used to eat with vadai. I want to sneeze. Sorry, I've forgotten what fact am I supposed to talk about. Why chili is so spicy, right? Is because they contain this group of active compounds that includes capsaicin. So capsaicin is this active component which, when in contact with your taste bud, it gives off this spicy sensation. The reason for this is because they want to deter mammals from eating it. Because usually these mammals, they have teeth, right? And then they will destroy the seed, so they won't be able to disperse the seed more effectively. Interestingly, birds, right, they actually cannot taste chili at all. They cannot taste the spiciness, which is why they can just like eat it like a snack. Like, we tried to use like spicy gel to deter birds away. That won't happen, okay? Shall we move on? Next up, we have the spicy tomato. Hey, it's not that bad. It feels like a cross between these two, like there's a slight sweetness to it. How we are able to taste the spiciness of the seeds, right? It's because we have these receptors in our taste bud known as the VR1 receptor. So the capsaicin from the chili, they actually bind to it very effectively, and that activates the neurons and sends a signal to our brain that we are experiencing spicy sensation. This is the spicy lemon, which I heard is really like, okay, let's try it. It's actually, oh! I taste the lemon, but oh my god. The most effective way to remove the spiciness, right, is to drink some milk. Oh, I need some. Oh. Wow, the milk is really very effective. So you can drink milk or sugary drinks that actually helps. Plain water is ineffective. Oh my goodness. Don't drink plain water, okay? That's useless. It actually only helps to like disperse the seed. I mean, disperse the spiciness even more.
Hey, you still gotta tell us how it works.
What? This one?
Yeah, using that one, I guess.
Well...
We're not gonna get the milk until later on.
Why? Last but not least, the bird's eye chili or the chili padi. Oh, I don't know. Actually not that bad. Oh shit, the spiciness comes out, so it's very spicy. Can I continue from here?
Yeah, sure.
Oh my. Okay. When I first bite it, was so spicy, but oh, it's coming. Oh. Oh my god, my whole tongue.
Oh. How milk works.
This is damn spicy. Damn. It's coming. Oh my god, my whole... I don't think I can speak normally. Capsaicin is hydrophobic, which means it repels water. In milk, The fats, they have a hydrophobic side which also attach to the capsaicin and then wash it off when you swallow the milk down. And the protein casein in milk, right? It can also attach to the capsaicin chemical and wash it down as well. So that's why like milk is quite effective. And plain water, I mean water is water. They cannot attach something which doesn't like water, so water is ineffective. I need milk, give me milk. That's all. That's all. This is damn bad. It suddenly hit your face. Hit you with that do 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 do. Oh. I'm not gonna be eating chilies for a while. Just keep thinking.